My name is Eva, and I had partial knee operation on both my knees at the same time. Dr. Boerger was very nice and very helpful, and everything that we were talking about I got in writing when I came home, so I could read it in peace at home. And no, I was very satisfied with Dr. Boerger. I had a lot of pain in both my knees, especially when I played golf or walking. So that's how I found out this. And went to meet him and see him. Now I'm playing golf. It doesn't bother me at all. My knees, I'm really, really very, very happy. In my age, to have both knees operated at the same time, I think is fantastic. So I'm really very, very happy to have done this at my age. It's giving me at least maybe 10 years more of golf. Well, my handicap is not gone down yet, but it's going to do that. I'm absolutely sure. Maybe today. Dr. Boerger was very nice and very helpful, and yes, I was very happy with the meetings I had with him before the operation and even afterwards. It's very good. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Boerger to anybody who asks me. Absolutely. This is my first experience with the hospital, and I'm pleased.